packaging that enhances product value and productivity. Hanpack's technology goes beyond simply putting products into boxes. Systematic automation elevates the quality of packaging. Carton packaging technology that drives change. Hanpack. At the final stage where products are completed, Hanpack stands on site with trust and expertise. Technology is ultimately made by people. Proven experience in developing accurate and stable solutions. Skilled engineers deliver reliable results. Hanpack's technology begins with understanding customer needs. By analyzing product shape, speed, and production environment, we design packaging processes optimized for on-site conditions and goals. Hanpack's technology focuses on productivity, delivering customized solutions from the customer's perspective. Hanpack's automation technology focuses on precise control and efficiency. A flexible system that supports various product specifications and industries, from food to pharmaceuticals. Within this system, Hanpack achieves the production efficiency customers expect. From product supply to carton packaging, every process is seamlessly connected to maximize efficiency. Technology proven in numerous sites has led Hanpack to the global market. From pharmaceuticals to food and cosmetics, Hanpack applies the same standard across industries. Proven quality, reliable technology, and continuous support. That is why Hanpack is chosen worldwide. With carton packaging solutions optimized for each production environment, we package our customers' products with added value. Carton packaging technology that drives change. Hanpack.